Hey guys, so this is our submission for LNM hacks. We named it FileSync. So it is basically a decentralized version control system. A user can upload files or create files in our D app. If he or she changes the content of the file with keeping the file name same, then it can be committed in the version history. The previous files will be also available to him. So I'll just show you how a user can do it. He will also be able to collaborate using the Hurdle of an SDK. So I'll just connect my wallet from here using the MetaMask. Just a second. So as I connect my wallet, this is a landing page. I have previously uploaded these files, file 1, 2, 3 and text, file 3 text. So I can see any of these files versions by typing it here, file2.txt, and get the previous versions. So as you can see, only one version of this file is available. As I type file1.txt and get these versions, so you can see this file shows, hey, this is test file 1. According to this file shows, hey, this is a test file 1 after change, and this file shows, hey, this is file 1 after change, one more change. So I can just upload files from here, add any file from here, or create a file from inbuilt editor. I'll just show you how I'll create a file. So okay, this is new test file. This is file 5.txt, and as I click on the save button, it will redirect to MetaMask. Sorry, I just by mistakenly cancelled the transaction. I'll wait for now. If I confirm this transaction and wait for it to get completed, as the transaction is being minted on Polygon network, you can see the transaction is confirmed, and the file 5.txt has also been saved to the user's network, and it has also been uploaded to the IPFS. You can see it here. So here comes the file 5. As I show you the previous versions, so it currently have only one version, file 5, and it shows, hey, this is a new test file. If I try to upload the same file with the same code, I'll just copy from here, file5.txt with the same name. As I try to save it, you can see it will not be saved. Again, the save file button is here, the transaction is reverted. But if I change the content, change, so if I now click the save file button, MetaMask appears and I have to sign this transaction, and the file will be saved. So here you can see that after transaction is confirmed, the file is also been downloaded to user local system. This file is also been uploaded to our dashboard, file 5. I can check the versions of it, file 5.txt, and here are the two versions. One of them says, hey, this is the new test file, which was the previous version, and this was the newer version, which says, hey, this is a new test file with change. So you can also collaborate with other users by joining the meet from here. I just create the room and join a meet. So after I am able to join the meet, another users can also be able to join the meet. If I I'll just connect my wallet. Just connected and join the room. So as you can see, I have joined the same room. Now the users can discuss over the files, how they want to edit and collaborate over the projects. In further update of this RD app, we'll try to update it more so that they can collaborate over the code also. So this was the basic D app. Another functionality, user can also add a file. If I'll try to add the same file that I have downloaded that has the same content that I have chosen, so file 5.txt, and upload it, try to upload it, it will not be uploaded as it contains the same file. So these are the app, guys.